Alright, another one. Ruger Charger 1022. It's a pistol. Got it. Grab a gun for $2.99 plus taxes. Kind of like $3.30. Um, Added the adapters. You can get these at eBay. This is printed, 3D printed. It's even less than half the steel one that they sell for like $60 off on eBay too. But this one is way lighter. So if you're trying to keep the weight low, get this one, eBay. Just do your search. The pistol brace and the castle nut and the tube. I got a AR deals, pretty cheap. And this is it. Oh, the red dot off of eBay, about $50. So it's pretty cheap. You can shoot a lot. You don't break the bank. Yeah, it's got the threaded barrel, so you can add whatever you want, I guess. Muzzle brake, silencers. Yep, not bad. Cheap, easy to shoot, and fun. All right.